Does the mind have psychic ability to influence reality, to foresee the future, or to read another person's thoughts? Many scientists who have tested for these abilities using a random number generator believe so. A true random number generator outputs random numbers where it is impossible to know what the next number out will be. The random number generator in the PSI Science Lamp outputs the numbers 1 through 4. Each number will light the lamp in one of 4 colors. If the number 1 is generated, the lamp will light red. For the number 2, blue, 3, green, and 4, yellow. The PSI Science Lamp's random number generator will output approximately 1 to 3 numbers or color changes every minute. Using the PSI Science Lamp makes it easy to test for precognition, psychokinesis, and telepathy. To test for precognition, the ability to see the future, make a list of 20 colors you think the lamp will output. Then check your list against the next 20 color changes of the lamp. Going in sequence, each time the lamp color matches the one in your list, it's a hit and is marked with a check. If the color doesn't match, it's a miss and is marked with an X. Add up the number of hits and check your score against our PSI strength table. Or you can go to our website and enter your score to have it checked online. Chance alone will allow you to be correct 25% of the time. If you start scoring much higher, you could be showing signs of precognition. To test for psychokinesis, or PK, you try to influence the color output of the lamp. For example, try to make the lamp red. Focus on the color red and record the next 20 color changes of the PSI Science Lamp. When finished, count up the total number of times the lamp turned red. Check your score in the same manner previously discussed. Chance alone will cause the lamp to change to red 25% of the time. To test for telepathy, you need 2 people, a sender and a receiver. The receiver is isolated from the sender and the PSI Science Lamp. The sender observes the PSI Science Lamp and tries to send the lamp color telepathically to the receiver. When the PSI Science Lamp changes color, the sender gives a signal to the receiver to try to see the new lamp color. The sender marks down the color of the lamp, and the receiver marks down his or her perception. After 20 tries, both lists are compared. Colors that match in sequence are hits. The total number of hits are added up and checked as before. Again, chance alone will allow the receiver to guess the correct color 25% of the time.